Number 2 is staying clear of the feeding chute, good behavior.
Agreed. They are both responding well to the positive reinforcement.
Intake looks good, no hesitation.
Agreed. I'll make a note of the calm demeanor and the time.
Okay, keep coming back slowly.
Watch the clearance on the pallet jack.
Let's get this one onto table 4.
Every inch of the hide must be thoroughly salted to prevent degradation before cold storage.
savotiškai zebras licznika. Jeśli dziennie drewniany i wyrmek jesteś, jak edytacja główna i posawku tiesty kreatywni padity.
Looks like they're enjoying the fresh hay this morning.
The automated system makes keeping them fed so much easier.
The automated feeding system ensures the cows receive a precise mixture of fresh hay right on schedule every morning. Here at the farm, we prioritize the comfort of our animals. The automated system ensures they get fresh feed around the clock.
Gates clear on this side.
Easy now, girls. Keep moving.
This state-of-the-art system ensures the well-being of the herd, monitoring everything from weight to thermal signature.
The thermal scan confirms optimal health across the group.
Biometrics are stable. The system is performing flawlessly.
Here in the facility, the raw hides are immediately treated with coarse salt to begin the curing process, ensuring perfect preservation.
Salt is crucial for preservation, drawing out moisture in this sterile environment. The hides are then carefully inspected.
The process begins here, in the soaking drums. Raw hides are gently tumbled in. Welcome to the modern tannery. These large rotating drums gently clean the raw hides in a. Inside this modern facility, the raw hides are gently tumbled in large soaking drums.
The hide coming through now looks much cleaner.
Reorganization, the adjustments we made to the water jets are working perfectly. We're seeing a slight variance in the pH levels on screen 3.
Okay, I'm increasing the wash cycle duration now.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge here. It shouldn't exceed the limit.
Understood, understood. How often do we check the humidity sensors?
The indigo saturation is stable at 95%.
Good. Let's increase the crimson flow slightly and monitor the absorption rate.
In this vast space, thousands of hides are carefully dried on specialized frames.
From the initial cut to the final polish, every step is executed with meticulous care, ensuring the highest quality in every jacket we produce. The final edge paint really seals the leather, giving it that high-end, polished look you see here.
It suits you perfectly, sir. The patina on this leather is unique.
I really like the feel of it.
And madame, perhaps you would like to try this style.
The fit is perfect around the shoulders. It's one of our finest pieces.
I really like the feel of this leather. I think I'll take it. I love how soft this leather is. The fit is just perfect.
It truly is a beautiful piece. It was meant for you.